put on top of the rice. If some of you might have a way too much oil, you can take it out, right? But this is good side.
Okay.
Now we throw garlic and chili in. Garlic and chili in.
Same time?
Same time. Only 4 steps from now. Yeah. Okay, mix it well. For how long we cook this one after sauce and veggie? Sauce getting thick, and you see the green beans, the color of pop green. You know, like when you steam broccoli or cook broccoli, you know, monster green you call that. You see the color? Riper. And this eatable raw. You don't need to cook that long. You want to crunch. Now throw the basil in, please. Basically, like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and mix.
Even with the flowers?
Yeah, with the flour, small flour, okay, but not the big flour. If some of them too long, so you mix them well. Mix, yeah. Mix. You can use spatula that way. You see the leaf dark green? Some people like it juicy, some people like it dry. You know, I like it dry. If you like juicy, you come like, oh, if I juicy, you can add some water a little bit, but not much. Or you add the water more when you cook that, and then you have some juice left, and make the basil in leaf quickly, you know? For me, I like pork. I like to do the pork with like kind of dry and spicy. See the leaf dark green? Now you put beside the rice. Yeah. Here, a serving. You have a nice serving. Wow. Does that look beautiful? Now you guys go ahead. Spicy, salty, and dry. And you mix it right. And you mix it right.
After the garlic salad, the
chicken. Okay, ready? A little bit dark chicken, more flavor in it. Not just raw, you know. We want to really cook. But also we don't want to cook it way too long. Wow. That's why we add the basil a lot. That smells so good, hey? Done. It's alright. Because you just have to squeeze the chicken out. After that sauce. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Sarò prima di essere stato prima di stare.
Sauce and water. You don't need all the
Prima bella.
It's alright. You want to cook allow to turn around to you. It's okay. When you cook garlic and shallot, you just get the chicken part, get the rest of the chicken all folded in small pieces. Water in. Okay, bring it to boil, and I'm going to add a little mix. Maybe a little more, a little bit dry, a little more cook or add some fish to cook this a little bit more. Have basil. Look at that. Wow.